I'm going to demonstrate how our Velcro bow works. You simply attach the Velcro ball to the cone and pull back and shoot. We offer our bows in orange and green, and for a limited time we also have pink and blue. The Velcro kits come with either a Velcro target or a Velcro vest, and on the vest we only offer a green or orange on the vest. The bow is also great for young kids like 2 years and above because it just simply sticks in there and the arrow attaches to the string itself so it never leaves, so they can grab any part of the string and pull back and it shoots.
Thank you everybody for showing interest in our bow and arrows. We hope you enjoy it and have fun with your kids.
Oh!